Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I hope you all are doing good and you are staying safe in your respective homes. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the products that have completely used up in the previous month or so. And I'm also going to share with you the mini reviews of all those products that I'm going to show today. So, if you want to know more, please keep on watching. So let's talk about skincare first. So in skincare first, I'm going to show one of the moisturizer which I truly love. That is from the brand Believe. It's their True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. So I have combination skin and this particular moisturizer gives me the real thrust of hydration and it soaks to my skin very easily. I really love this moisturizer. First, actually, I got a smaller version of this in one of my orders as complimentary. Then I really loved this one, so I bought this 25 ml of this particular product. So if you also have combination skin just like me, you can surely give it a try. And also all of the products that I'm going to show in today's video, I will be linking in the description box below. So if you want to buy any of those, please do check that out. Okay, so next coming to the toner. So the toner that I have emptied, I don't have it right now because I have already thrown it up. So I will be giving a picture here. So it's the Plum green tea toner and it's alcohol free and it is very refreshing on your skin. You can use it daily and it really suited my skin. I don't know how it actually addresses the concern like minimizing the pore and everything. But yeah, I really like the feeling of this particular toner on my skin. Okay, so next up, let's talk about two of the essential oils that I have completely used up. The first one is the Nykaa Rosemary Essential Oil and the second one is also from Nykaa and it's their Tea Tree Essential Oil. So let's talk about the rosemary one first. So this particular oil is having a very soothing and calming smell. I used to mix this up with my usual hair oils and I used to apply it on my hair and it will give you a very calming sense. And I already have a video up on my hair care routine that I usually follow. There I have vividly elaborated all the steps that I take, so you can definitely check that out once you watch this video. And tea tree oil, everyone knows its uses. So I get bumps and acne on my skin here and there. So I used to apply this tea tree as a spot treatment for those affected areas. And also you can mix it with your face mist if you want and you can spray it on your face. So it will instantly refresh you and also it has a very soothing smell. So next let's talk about lip balms. So I have two lip balms which I have completely used up. So the first one is the Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm and the another one is Maybelline Baby Lips, which is my absolutely favorite one. So about the Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm, it's in their pomegranate flavor. So coming to the Nykaa one, so it is very hydrating on your lips but it doesn't have any tint as such. It is of a neutral color, wherein the Maybelline one, it is their Cherry Kiss variant, I guess. Yeah, it's their Cherry Kiss variant and it has a very mild pink tint on it. That's why I love it so much. So yeah, these two lip balms I absolutely love. Okay, so next coming to the body care part. So in this particular section, I have two body lotions again. So the first one is the Scent Eve's Hydrating Vitamin E and Avocado Body Lotion. So you can see the size of this body lotion and it almost lasted me more than 3 to 4 months. So this is a very lightweight moisturizer and it gives you the correct amount of hydration. I come from a dry body skin type, so I need a body lotion all around the year. But this particular body lotion gives me the correct amount of hydration without making my skin feel greasy. The other one that I'm going to talk about, it's from the Body Shop. It's their Satsuma energizing gel lotion. So I think I have already spoken about this particular body lotion in my earlier videos. So yeah, this is also having the same kind of consistency as the Scent Eve's one. So the Body Shop one is little bit on the pricier side considering the amount of the product that you get. So in this one you will get 250 ml of the product in the Body Shop one, wherein in the Scent Eve's one you will get almost 620 ml of the product. So if you want to try any of these products, just make your choice accordingly. Okay, so coming to the hair care products now. So first, I'm going to talk about the shampoo that I have completely used up, which is AOX Vitamino Color Shampoo. It's from the Siri Expert range of L'Oreal Professional. So I have already spoken about the shampoo in my hair care video. This particular shampoo does make your hair a little bit dry, but I think that is the case with any color protecting shampoo. So yeah, by the way, this is a color protecting shampoo as I have color treated here. So yeah, so I don't think I'm going to buy this particular shampoo again. So now I'm in search of some good shampoo which I can use next. So if I find one, I will definitely share it with you. So after the shampoo, let's come to the mask now. So I have completely used up this particular mask. This one also I have spoken in my last video about hair care. So this one is the Moroccan Argan hair mask. It's from the brand Scent Botanica. So as you can see, I have completely used it up. So this is a very good mask and it's very good for your dry hair. So this really gives your hair the hydration and it makes your hair look very healthy. So you can definitely try this one. Okay, so that was all about my hair care and skincare empties. So next I'm going to talk about two of the makeup products. So in this lockdown period, I did not really get a chance to wear that much of makeup other than while making this video and all. So I did not really end up emptying that many makeup products. So but two of the makeup products that I'm going to talk about, both are eyeliners, and the first one that I'm going to talk about is the Color Bar Ultimate Black 001 eyeliner. So it's a felt tip eyeliner. So I'm going to swatch it if a little bit of the product is left. Okay, so yeah, it's there. So as you can see, it's a jet black color eyeliner, and this eyeliner is very good and it glides very smoothly on your eyelid, and you can easily make a wing eyeliner with the help of this one. And the next one that I'm going to talk about, it's a liquid eyeliner. It's from the brand Maybelline. So I just show you the applicator of this one. So it's a very fine applicator it is having, and it's a very good eyeliner. So both of these eyeliners, it's very affordable also. So you can definitely try this one if you haven't already. Okay, so that was all about this video from my side. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please like, share and comment. And if you want me to do any other product reviews or any other videos that you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that for you. And do check out all the other videos on my channel. And if you like that too, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And also please press the bell icon whenever you are subscribing so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. That's it from my side today. I'll see you on my next. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너
One is the Moroccan Argan Hair
아무
Mask.
말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가